All through history, mankind has been fascinated by the mysterious. The abominable snowman, Yeti, and Bigfoot. Yet there is one that they have not concluded about. I'm Lion Reynolds, and today you'll be going with me to find out about the Leprechaun. Welcome to the Lion Reynolds Show. As I already said, we will be searching for a leprechaun. I have no idea where I am, but I told the people to just drop me off wherever there have been leprechaun sightings. They say in this area, mostly because it's green and leprechauns love green. So last night there was a huge storm and there were lightning bolts flashing all over the place, and the locals, natives, whatever you call them, that live here, they said that leprechauns were running all over the place down here. So we're going to be looking down here. Also, being out here in the woods, not knowing where you are, it is important to stay alive and to eat leaves. Also, it is important to leave a trail. You know, there are some pretty amazing leprechaun tales. This one man, he decided he would stop at a gas station just to go in and get a drink. He left his truck unlocked. First mistake. While he was in the store, a leprechaun came and stole his truck. Then he sold the truck. Well, he didn't sell it, he pawned it for gold and kept the gold all to himself. You know what the moral of the story is? It is, never let a leprechaun steal your truck. Be a leprechaun. Yes, a leprechaun. Hear that? Just happens to be a leprechaun. Look at this. Someone has had a fire. Could be a leprechaun. Yes, that's a leprechaun. Smell? Let's keep going. I hear it. Look. your treasure. You'll never give me treasure. This isn't treasure. It is to me. You're supposed to be a leprechaun. I'm not a leprechaun. I'm a hobo. I'm gone home. Where's the treasure? Where's the treasure? Tell me where the treasure is!
Nice.